So what you can do is turn the key 2 times. And now you can look at the screen. See how I say OBO? So what you want to do now is go here and push it into, you see you're going to change to trip A. Okay, once you get to trip A, what you can do is turn it off. And now what you're going to do is, so you're going to hold out the trip button, and we're going to turn the key 2 times. So I'm going to hold the trip down and turn the key 2 times now. And you should see it's blinking. So just keep holding out the trip button until blink finish. And that's it.